Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe this channel and give your support. This video is for class 3 English poem Bird Talk. In this video, we will see question answers, sentence making, rhyming words, how to help birds and worksheet. So let's get started. Let's see question answers first. So the first question is, name the two birds in the poem. Answer is in the first two lines of the poem. Things said the robin, things said the jay. So the two birds in the poem are robin and jay. Question number 2 is, what are the three things that people can't do? Do you remember the poem? They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. So the answer is, people don't eat beetles, people can't grow wings, people can't sit on wires. Now question number 3 is, what do birds think of people? Remember the last stanza of the poem? Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? That means birds think that people are very funny. Now the question is to make sentences using bird from the following words. Let's see what are those words. What is this? It's a nest. So the sentence will be, birds live in the nest. Can you guess the next word from this picture? Next word is water. So the sentence will be, birds drink water when they are thirsty. Now see this picture. This bird is chirping. Yes, the next word is chirp. And the sentence will be, birds chirp loudly in the morning. It's a flying bird. Yes, next word is fly. And sentence is, birds fly because they have wings. So students, where do birds fly? Yes, in the sky. So the next word is sky. Birds fly in the sky. Let's see next. Oh, it's a butterfly with beautiful wings. So the next word is wings. And sentence is, butterflies also have wings like birds. Now it's rhyme time. Let's see rhyming words. Grow. Think about rhyming words of grow. It can be crow, no, throw. Let's see next word. Funny. Now think about its rhyming word. It can be sunny, bunny, honey. Friends, it is not necessary that spelling should be same. It's about sound. Sound should be same. Now friends, tell me, how can you help a bird? It's really easy to make real progress in helping birds by taking a few simple actions every day. Here are some ideas to get you started. Provide water. Put a water pot in your balcony, terrace or garden. Birds need fresh and clean water for drinking and bathing. You can provide them water and increase your chances of observing their fun behavior up close. Put up a bird feeder. They will certainly make birds' life better, but they will make your life far more exciting. But don't feed them bread. Baked items are no good for birds. It's junk food for them. It's it just fill their stomachs without giving them the nutrients they require. So what we can put up seeds, dry oats and chopped fruits and nuts are excellent alternatives. You can also put grains like roasted bajra, cooked chapati or boiled rice. You don't need a balcony or a garden for this. You can also get the bird feeders that stick to windows. You can make a simple bird feeder at your home from an empty plastic bottle or old toys. Install a bird box. Give a bird a home. Use waste materials to make a good bird house. For example, you can use milk carton, old post box, or you can make one using cardboard. Setting up a nesting board box can provide them an essential nesting area. Go birding. In today's world, we are becoming increasingly separated from nature and the health and happiness it provides. So be the one to change this trend. These are some pictures clicked by me. Also inspire others to carry our love for birds into next generation. Now it's worksheet time. Friends, link of the worksheet is already provided in the description box. Download it and practice at home. Friends, just like a bird, have courage to fall and learns to fly. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.